Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. A lot of people will ask about the Henson razors, the aluminum AL13s and the titanium TI22s. They're wanting to know about the aggressive rating of the razors. They all come in 1+, which is mild, 2+, which is medium, and then 3+, which is aggressive. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a shave. I'm going to use all three of those razors, and we're going to decide upon an aggression rating or an aggressive rating of those three razors. So let's start at the beginning. This razor right here is the steel blue. This one I have in mild. So I will show you. You can see that there is 1+ right here in the corner. 1+ right up there. That means it's mild. That's the cap. This is the safety bar. You can see 1+ right there. That's the mild version. Since they come with RK blades, I'm going to load up each razor with an RK blade. So we'll have an equal, the blades won't be a matter as far as, they won't be a factor. I've got 3 blades right there. Let's remove one. A little bit of glue on the first flap, no glue on the others. The blade has a little bit of glue holding it to the paper, not much. You can see a couple little glue buds there. So I'm going to put that over the slots like so. Install the safety bar and then the handle. So that is the mild, 1+ right there. There's a look at that one. Next up, the medium, aircraft aluminum. The mild and the medium, they come in 5 or 6 different colors. This will be 2+ right there, 2+. And then this one also 2+ as well, right there. Let's pop a blade in that one. Another RK blade. Same deal, just glue on one flap and some glue holding it to the paper. Let's pop that one over the threaded post and the slots. Like so. Reassemble, safety bar and handle. Tighten it back down. So that's the medium. That's what that one looks like. Right there. Next up, the aggressive version. This only comes in this color, this gray, which is kind of a bluish gunmetal type color. I like this color, it's pretty sweet. Let's disassemble this one. This should have 3+, which it does. Right there, 3+. Up in that corner. Right there. And then here's the bar. Also, 3+. Right there. Let's get another blade for that. Third and final blade. Same thing, glue on one flap. Glue holding it to the paper. There's the blade. Right over the threaded post and the slots. And then reinstall. You always know that circle goes down toward the handle, so you can't install it backwards. This is the aggressive version, +++. You can see that blade reveal. Very easy to see on this one. As you can see, I've got pretty decent beard growth, a couple days going on here. I've already got a lather mixed up in my Shave Nation bowl right here. Trafalgar T3 brush. I'm going to warm up my face. I'm going to test these razors out and arrive at an aggression rating for each one. All right, you can see my face is good and warm. Let's grab our brush and our bowl. Lather up. Plenty of lather here. Right there. Starting on the right, working our way across. I'll put links under the video where it says more or show more. You can just click and see all the items if you want to pick any of them up. Shaving cream, blades, razors, all that good stuff. Just working it into the beard. Cover all the areas you intend to shave. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Okay, here we go. First up, the blue 1 Plus, mild. Under the hot water, let's see what it feels like. Taking a couple strokes to remove all of it. All right, let's try the medium plus, aircraft aluminum, under the hot water. I can feel a little difference. It is a little bit more aggressive. Now I want to feel this plus, the aggressive version. My beard is heavier down in this area, a little bit lighter on the cheeks. I can feel right away. More aggressive. Yep, for sure. Let's go down the neckline. It is more resistant for me in these areas, and this triple plus aggressive removes it very easily. Let's rinse it. Also rinses out very easily. You can see the stubble on there. Let's go back and get a feel for these. This is the mild. Definitely not as aggressive. I have to go over the same area quite a few times. Back to the medium, the plus. Slightly more aggressive, as we knew it would be. Back to the aggressive one. Goes through it very efficiently and easily. Back to the mild. Medium. I can feel the difference. You could probably hear the difference too. Here, this is the mild. This is the medium. Slightly less noise coming out of it. Let's try the aggressive. Mild. Medium. Aggressive. You could even see some areas, this area, there's a little bit left there. The aggressive side, very clean. Just a quick rinse. Let's re-lather. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Let's go across the grain, see what this feels like. Mild. Great for a finishing pass. The mild version. Right there. Medium, backhand. aggressive. Rinse. Let's go medium. Let's go mild. You can feel that the mild is not removing as much. Aggressive. Medium. Mild. Not as much audible feedback from the mild, a little bit more from the medium, and then more from the aggressive. All right, let's sum it up. As far as the aggressiveness rating, the mild, I'm going to go 2-3, and then the medium is going to be 4-5, and then the aggressive version is going to be 6-7. That's on a scale of 1 to 10. If you have heavy beard growth like I did, and your beard is coarse, you want to go with the aggressive triple plus version. Only comes in this gray or gunmetal color. If you have medium beard growth, which is maybe a 1-day beard growth, then you're going to want to go with the plus plus, which comes in 5 or 6 different colors. If you have light beard growth, you're going to want to go with the plus version, which also comes in 5 or 6 different colors. By the way, there's also this really nice little stand for the Henson razors right here. It doesn't say Henson anywhere on it, but it is the Henson stand. They make it. We get it directly from them. Here's what it looks like if you put a razor on there, just like that. You can turn the razor any way you want, like so. You could actually hang this on a wall, but I'd be afraid. Well, let's see if you do it this way. Oh, there you go. No, it has to go this way. So if you were to hang this on a wall, it would have to be, I'm afraid it would fall out. You can't really hang it unless you were able to wedge it back like this. It would look pretty cool to hang it like that. But you'd have to have it angled, not flat on the wall. If you went flat on the wall, it's going to fall out. Here's the matching aircraft aluminum along with the stand. Perfect match right there. And then here's the aggressive version, the gray with the stand. So the stand is pretty sweet. Doesn't take up a lot of room on the sink top, and it fits perfectly in there, and you can spin it however you want. It has a couple of holes in the back. You would think they're for mounting, but they don't go all the way through. So it's not for mounting. You could use some two-faced sticky tape on there. If you wanted to angle it, you could do that. You might have to build a little wedge to hold it on an angle so the razor doesn't fall out. But laying it perfectly flat on the sink top, no problem whatsoever. Just like that. It's made for this razor. You could put some other razors on here too, but this one fits it perfectly. All right, there we go. As I said, one more time. The plus mild is 2-3. The plus plus medium aggressive is 4-5. And then the triple plus in gray or gunmetal color right here would be 6-7 on a scale of 1 to 10. I hope that helps you decide on an aggressive rating for your Henson razor, the AL13 or the TI22. It's going to be the same. The TI22, each one will be a little bit more aggressive because the razor is twice as heavy as the AL13. So that added weight is going to make it a little bit more aggressive shaving. All right, if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.